Picture your brand in front of an exclusive, growing audience at the 2025 Great Hearts Symposium, where attendance has surged by over 50% in the last 5 years, reaching 773 attendees in 2024. With 42% of attendees being school leaders, administrators and philanthropic supporters, 37% classical teachers, and the rest influential scholars and speakers. This event brings together the entire classical education community in one place, a rare and valuable audience for any sponsor. Our 2025 symposium takes sponsorship to the next level with our event app. As a sponsor, you'll gain exceptional digital visibility with options to promote your brand in-app, send event invites, and share educational content directly with attendees. And with features like digital booths, booth chats, one-on-one meeting capabilities, and lead retrieval tools, you can engage meaningfully and collect leads with ease. In addition to prime exposure, a portion of your sponsorship is tax deductible, and there are no on-site sales restrictions, so you're free to connect with your audience in real time. This sponsorship offers visibility and a chance to build valuable relationships within the classical education community. Join us as a sponsor of the 2025 Great Hearts Symposium and align your brand with those leading the way in classical education. Together, let's create an unforgettable experience for attendees and help you reach an audience like never before.